You know, you're quite beautiful.
Welcome to Speak English with Hollywood.
Good to finally meet you.
It's good to meet you too. Heck of a place you got here, man.
It's good to finally meet you. It's good to see you too. Heck of a place you got here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So, Dad is heading to Nevada tomorrow.
It's terrible what happened. Please be safe over there.
It's terrible what happened. Please be safe over there, okay?
Yeah, we will. And I promise I'm going to make it up to you, honey.
Yeah, we will. And I promise I'm gonna make it up to you, honey.
Dad, it's really no problem. The drive's not that bad.
Dad, it's really no problem. The drive is not that bad.
Wait, why don't I take you up there? I'm flying up to San Francisco for a meeting. We can head up to Seattle right after.
Why didn't I take you up there? I'm flying to San Francisco for a meeting and we can head up to Seattle right after.
It'll give me an opportunity to catch a volleyball game.
And it'll give your mom a chance to get all her stuff moved in without me in the way.
And give me an opportunity to catch a volleyball game. It'll give your mom a chance to get all her stuff moving in without me in the way.
Yeah, I was meaning to tell you, but we haven't had a chance to.
I was meaning to tell you, but we haven't had a chance to.
I'm sorry you guys can't go up there together.
I'm sorry you guys can't go up there together.
I was gonna tell you. We just decided to do it.
I was gonna tell you. We just decided to do it.
So, was that your father you came in with?
He's my mom's boyfriend.
Is that your father you're coming with? He's my mom's boyfriend.
Are you meeting with him?
Oh no, not even close. I wish. I'm interviewing for a job here, and Mr. Riddick is the boss of the boss of the boss.
Are you meeting with him? No, not even close. I'm interviewing for a job here, and Mr. Riddick is the boss of the boss of the boss that I've been working for.
So, what kind of job are you interviewing for?
Anything in engineering or design. I'm not picky or proud.
So what kind of job are you interviewing for? Anything in engineering or design, I'm not picky or proud.
You know, you're quite beautiful.
Do you remember what we discussed?
You know you're quite beautiful. Remember what we discussed?
Sit still and no talking. It's not normal to bring little brothers to job interviews, so let's not embarrass me, okay?
Sit still and not talking. It's not normal to bring a little brother to job interview. Let's not embarrass me.
Do you mind if I get your phone number for him?
Do you mind if I get your phone number for him?
Let's learn some new words and expressions from our scene. Heck of a place you get here is a common American English expression used to express admiration about a particular location. It's often used when someone is impressed by the beauty and uniqueness of a place. Example: this view is absolutely stunning. What a heck of place you get here. Terrible is an adjective that means extremely bad. It can be used to describe a wide range of things from a person's behavior to a natural disaster. Example: it was a terrible accident. Opportunity: a chance to do something good. This could be achieving something, learning, growing, improving, or succeeding in a goal. Example: taking this online course is a good opportunity to learn new language. I'm not picky or proud means that the speaker is open-minded and not demanding a lot of things. Example: I'm not picky or proud, I'll eat whatever you cook. Architect is a person who designs buildings. Example: the famous architect designed the iconic skyscraper. Embarrassed: feeling shy or nervous because of something you did. Example: I was embarrassed when I forgot the English words. This is the place to be means that a particular location is considered the most exciting place to be at a certain time. Example: that new club downtown is the place to be on Friday nights.
And this was our journey today, and don't forget to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep speaking English until we meet again. Bye!